You will think you understand singular and plural very well until you come across this question. Our principal and chairman of the occasion that's just arrived. If you want to answer this question, first ask yourself, where is the subject? This is the subject. Our principal and chairman of the occasion. The second question you will ask yourself, this subject, is it singular or plural? Of course, based on what you see, it is plural, principal and chairman. But based on the actual meaning of what you see, we have one subject. Okay? Based on what you see, we have two subjects. Principal, chairman, a principal, chairman of the occasion. But based on the actual meaning of what you see, we have one subject. Okay, let me dissect the definition or what I am trying to say. Let me dissect it very well so that we understand it. The interpretation of this one is that a principal and chairman of the occasion, we are referring to just only one person here. It is the same person that is the principal that holds the position of chairman of the occasion. Understood, right? So that is why I said based on what you see, we have two subjects. But based on the actual meaning of what you see, we have just only one subject. In a nutshell, everything here is just only one subject. Just one subject. Understood, right? So, if you want to answer this one now, since I told you that principal is the same as chairman, that is, it is one person that is holding the position of being the principal and also the chairman. So, if it is one subject, a person a you may be a teacher and also a writer. Understood, right? So, in that case, two titles or two positions are owned by just only one person. Understood, right? So, you will now treat this one, everything here, since it is one subject. That means it's going to take a singular verb. So, you now say a principal and chairman of the occasion has just arrived. So that is why our answer will be has just arrived. It won't be had, right? Because of just. Just is showing that it is present. Understood, right? And it can be have because have will be referring to plural, right? This one is plural verb, while this one is singular verb. Understood, right? Okay. Now, the exception to this rule is that there's sometimes that we'll have, let's assume we have a principal and the chairman of the occasion. Dash just arrived. A has, B having, C have, D had. Now, what will be the right answer here? A principal and the chairman of the occasion dash just arrived. This one is different from this. This one we have two subjects. Based on what you see, and based on the actual meaning of what you see, this one, we have two subjects. I said something here that based on what you see, we have two subjects. But based on the actual meaning of what you see, we have one subject. You understand? So, in a nutshell, this one is one subject, while this one is two subjects. Understood, right? Our principal is different from the chairman of the occasion. Understood? So, that is why the answer here, what will be our answer here? Let me see who will get it. Drop the answer in the comment section for this one. Thank you.